Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to turn off your camera in the Zoom app on mobile. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can start or join meetings. For this tutorial, we'll start a new meeting to show you exactly how the camera controls work. Tap on the meeting option from your dashboard. Give it a few seconds to load as the app prepares the meeting interface. You'll see several meeting options appear on your screen. Next, tap Start a Meeting. The app will now take a moment to prepare your meeting room, so just wait a few seconds while everything loads up. This is when Zoom sets up your audio and video connections in the background. Once the meeting setup screen appears, you'll notice a camera icon displayed on the screen. This is your video toggle, and it controls whether your camera is active or not. To turn off your camera before entering the meeting, simply tap this camera icon. You'll notice the icon changes appearance, indicating that your video is now disabled. This is particularly useful if you want to join a meeting without your camera on from the very start, giving you privacy or saving bandwidth. After you've toggled the camera off, tap the Start button to officially begin your meeting. Wait a few seconds while the meeting loads and you're connected. When the meeting room opens, you'll join with your camera already turned off, just as you configured. Now, if you're already in an active meeting and decide you want to turn off your camera, the process is even simpler. Just look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see the meeting controls. Locate the camera icon or the Start Video icon among these controls. Simply tap on it and your camera will turn off immediately. The icon will update to reflect that your video is now disabled, and other participants will see that your camera is off. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to control your camera in Zoom on mobile, whether you're setting it up before joining or toggling it during an active meeting. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.